Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone is updated and backed up, because widget changes can behave differently across iOS versions. Once updated, long press any blank area to enter jiggle mode and locate the widget stack you want to change. Tap the stack, choose Edit Stack to modify or Remove to rebuild. You're doing this now to access widget settings directly, which is faster than hunting through menus. Take a brief mental note of the current order, so you can restore it if needed. Now replace or add the Photos widget to the stack. Tap the plus while still in jiggle mode and search for photos, then select the size you want. Drag that Photos widget into the stack spot or swipe to remove any widgets you don't want in the rotation. Tap the Photos widget to choose its source, your recents, a specific album, or featured photos, so the widget shows the exact pictures you prefer. Once set, the stack will rotate through the chosen images automatically. Finish by exiting jiggle mode and watching the stack for a minute to confirm the Photos widget cycles as expected. If you see incorrect images, make sure the selected album actually contains the pictures and that Photos has permission to show them. Go to Settings Photos if needed. If the widget still misbehaves, remove it entirely and add it back, or force restart your iPhone to clear hiccups. Also verify iCloud Photo Sync is active, so images stay consistent across devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.